looks like there is no dip to buy anytime soon. Hi Cashflow Builders! Have you been looking forward to buy the dip? The S&P 500 had risen above $4,500 at the start of September and started plunging towards $4,350. I was looking forward to it plunging even more when it rose above $4,400.
It's crunch time for China Evergrande. The heavily indebted property developer is scrambling to raise funds as it nears deadlines to pay interest on some of its loans and bonds.
The Evergrande, one of China's biggest companies, has been facing a financial crisis, was supposed to be the catalyst for a plunge in the market. Maybe there will not be a dip to buy anytime soon. And here's why. Investors are still loaded with cash. Based on Finra, the amount of margin investments is at an all-time high. That means investors are borrowing even more money to invest than ever. Even a 4% plunge is a buy the dip opportunity for them.
They're offering now, these investors in the wealth management products, fire sale prices on these properties. 28% fire sale on the residential units, 46% for office space. Hey, you want a parking lot? 52% off, as well as for retail space.
And Evergrande, despite reporting cash flow problems and missing out on 2 interest payments, still has physical assets that they can sell to their retail investors and banks at a discount, of course, meaning investors will not have to worry so much about money evaporating as badly as the Lehman Brothers crisis.
Severe contagion risk seems pretty low to me. Evergrande's just simply not that big, even relative to Lehman Brothers. So there's going to be some local economic issues in China, but it does not strike me as really, at this point, being a global issue.
Investors will continue to be confident that this crisis will not spread to the banking sectors outside of China. Investors are also confident that the Chinese banks can absorb the impact of Evergrande ever defaulting because $300 billion is lesser than 5% of the country's GDP. Therefore, it looks like there is no dip to buy anytime soon. Or maybe?
Well, Becky, the Journal is quoting sources as saying that local officials have been ordered to prepare for a possible storm.
Last year, there were about 1.5 million home buyers who put some amount of money down for an apartment that had not gotten that apartment because it had not been built yet.
Offset the impact on home buyers and jobs, so a broader look at the broader impact on the economy, setting up teams to prevent unrest, and only stepping in at the very last minute if Evergrande isn't able to sort out its own issues.
That kind of suggests that what's been happening in the past days has been enough to calm money markets onshore. You saw the overnight rate drop below 2%. That really shows that there is evidence of credit stress.
这房间我一甩就断了，就是。你甩两我，甩两我。还有啊你。
刚交付的房子，我不知道大家看了这个房子是什么心情。5楼、4楼、3楼，甚至到2楼，都是全通透的。这种通透让人心碎啊！
到时候看看这墙体啊。
Maybe there is a dip to buy soon. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe, stay invested.